Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at XRP then. Over the past week, we've seen an absolute moonshot for XRP so far, looking really strong as it finally broke out of this local range and this resistance that it's been under basically, as you can see here, since the last bull market when we got up to, where did we get up to? 166 up here? 196 as the swing high. You can see the previous bull market. Obviously the price action suppressed by Gary Gensler's foul tactics of trying to kill Ripple, the company, saying that they were selling unregistered securities. Basically Gary Gensler, very anti-crypto, very much a legacy builder, politician, part of the government, basically just an idiot in my opinion. And you can see he did suppress the XRP price considerably in the last bull market. It did start to have a good time, and then obviously a really big sell-off with the lawsuit being enforced. Became back up, but obviously a suppressed price. And then now, 3 years later, we have seen Donald Trump coming into power, and he is basically getting rid of Gary Gensler. He's either resigning or Trump will fire him, which is, in my opinion, absolutely excellent news for XRP. And you can see everyone thinks the same. It's finally starting to have a really nice move to the upside here from a swing of around 50 cents, getting up to a 125, 126 up here on this local swing. The past 2 weeks, unbelievably bullish for XRP. You can see quite clearly a massive, insane move. The weekly time frame here showing you that we are potentially approaching somewhat of a very pivotal time for XRP. You could say if you were doing candle to candle here that you would be breaking out of that 6 year long resistance that we have been under, which looks exceptionally good to be fair. If you're looking at the monthly time frame, you're looking a bit more like the one that I had drawn here. As you can see, I did have my resistances drawn from wick to wick like this, and if that was the case, then we would be looking at being at resistance now of this unbelievably huge pennant formation for XRP. If that was the case, this one obviously is a bit, you would say, rough around the edges, but I do think overall this has been broken now pretty cleanly. You can see pretty much every resistance you could draw of this final resistance of the previous bull market broken, and you could see the overall overarching resistance. We are very much at it, if not potentially breaking it here as well. I have said for a while that I do think XRP $10 plus is very likely. Seems incredibly likely from this point onwards, doesn't it? You could see $10 here, looks very close by if we continue this price action going into the bull market. XRP finally getting the movement that it deserves. You can see quite clearly on the charts here that we are looking really good for some continuation. If we can break through this, then in my opinion you could be looking at some pretty unreal price action. If you were going to do something like this, you could see this is where people get the 500 and whatever it is, $89 price target for XRP. It's to do with this big pennant formation, the previous move, the 6 year consolidation, and then the breakout. I am not so optimistic. Obviously this would be many trillions of dollars market cap, but I do think $10 plus looking very good indeed for XRP at this point. You can see quite clearly this is looking good for some continuation. Overall the market looking really good. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.